So now we start solving word-based problem on percentages. We'll solve word-based problem by understanding one story of company Patanjali. I hope you all are aware of this company set up by Baba Ramdev. Now we'll understand the working pattern of Patanjali. We'll understand which are the products which are doing well, because Patanjali has come up with various kinds of product. It's a leading company in the FMCG manufacturing. So anything that you need, right from your hair oil to shampoo, to toothpaste, to atta, to noodles, oats, everything is there with Patanjali. And even now Patanjali is coming up with the jeans. So we'll see the portfolio of products of Patanjali. We'll see which are the products which are doing well. So we'll understand the pattern of growth. We'll see which are the products that are not doing so well. We'll see which are confused product which you don't know if they are doing well or they are not doing well. We'll see the manufacturing unit of Patanjali. We'll see the packaging unit of Patanjali. Which are the new products Patanjali is coming up with and how are they planned in future. And then we'll see the salary that the Patanjali gives to employees and eventually the costing of products and so on. By understanding Patanjali and its operation, we'll understand all the concepts related to percentages. So let's enter into this story and have fun learning. 14, the price was rupees 32 and in 2016 the price was 40. Okay, so this is price of one bottle or price of one packet. And earlier the chart was about sales of the product. So that was number of products in thousand. And this is price per bottle or one packet. Now first question that we get with percentage increase on the second chart is, what is a percentage increase with the price per bottle of shampoo from 2014 to 2016? So what is the price per bottle of shampoo in 2014? Let's check it. It is rupees 30. So it is rupees 30 in 2014 and it changed to what? 40. So from 30 it increased to 40. What did it increase by? 10. 10 is increased over 30. Now all that you have to check is what is the increase. What is the increase? 10. But over what? What was the initial value? 30. So 10 increased over 30. And now you have to check 10 is what percent of 30, which is simple. 10 is what percent of 30? 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 is 33.33%. So the percentage increase with the price per bottle of shampoo from 2014 to 16 is 33.33%. So just make sure, what do you write in the numerator? The increase. What do you write in the denominator? From what did it increase? What is the initial value from which it increased? And what does that tell me? The percentage growth. This concept you will require a lot when you solve data interpretation, okay, which is like one section in many of the exam. Now let's move on to the next, which is percentage growth in the price of Dant Kanti. Dant Kanti from 2014 to 2015. What is Dant Kanti? 2014 32. It increased to 34. So increased 2 over what? 32. Which means what? 2 over 32 is increased. 2 over 32 is 1 by 16. 1 by 16 I know, I don't know, but I know 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is 12.5. So dividing both sides by 2, what will it become now? 1 by 16 is 6.25. That's it. That's it. So I know what is a percentage increase? 6.25. You can do this by formula as well. Initial value minus final value divided by initial value. Now let's understand this. What is the initial value? 32. What's the final value? 34. So what is the increase? Final value minus initial value always, and that will be my numerator. And what is the initial value? The increase is always over the initial value. So what is the initial value? 32, and that's why I write 2 by 32, which is 1 by 16, and I get the answer as 6.25. So if you want to generalize the formula for your percentage increase, it is always your final value minus initial value divided by initial value, because the increase is happening always on the initial value. So make sure you know the simple concept related to your percentage increase, because we will be applying this concept to most of the problems that we'll be doing in percentage.